Good morning, everyone. I want to go up to Carroll County, Missouri. There is a bridge in a field I want to see, and the new bridge that replaced it. It was replaced in 2020. The new bridge appears to be a pony truss bridge, and it's not very far up there. It's a little over an hour, so shall we? Well, we're getting closer to the bridge. It's probably about another half mile up here. It's up there at the bend where the road goes to the left. We're going to actually turn right, just a little bit north of Carrollton, Missouri, and a little bit west of Bosworth, Missouri. So we'll see it when we get there. Holy moly, look at that. That's a big pony truss. Wow. I would say that this is a Warren pony truss. Huh? That dude's big. Woo! Cool. There's the old bridge. Well, I'm going to apologize for the wind right now. Let's try this. Anyway, like I said, this is County Road 314 bridge in Carroll County, Missouri. It is a brand new 2-year-old pony truss bridge. It is pretty cool that they built a pony truss bridge to replace the old one. This bridge is 180 foot long, and it is 24 feet between the concrete rails. So I'm going to guess 28 feet between the steel rails. So I've got my photos for bridgehunter.com. And I mean, this is the only bridge I wanted to come do today. So from here I'll head home. I am on my way home in Carrollton, Missouri, and I saw something I've driven past several times and never saw it until today. And it's in their Heroes Memorial Park here in Carrollton. Okay, lucky for me, I believe it's open. It's the Carroll County Historical Museum. So I'm going to go in and check it out. So what finally caught my eye is just up here. And I don't know how many times I've driven past it. 6, 8, 10, 12. But it's the remnants of a Little Bedstead Pony Truss Bridge. So like I said, I don't know when this was built, or where it was removed from. There's no plaque. And it's about the size, you know, the length, not the width. It's about the length of a bridge that was probably built in the 20s. So I'm going to go ahead and take pictures of this one too. I am still on my way home. I am in Orick, Missouri. And I noticed something that I didn't notice earlier. Had I noticed it earlier, I would have stopped then. But they have removed a bridge here in Orick. It used to cross right up here. I do have video of crossing that bridge. And this bridge was still here when I did the video on the new Fleming Road Bridge. So the bridge has been closed since March 9th. So the bridge will be closed March 9th. That was a couple of weeks ago, roughly 9 days ago or so. And it has since been removed. So I will get photos for the website bridgehunter.com. Alright, well, I talked to the lady that lives in that blue house back there, and they didn't come out on the 9th to close the bridge. They came out after that. And just took it out. So she's pretty upset about that. I can't blame her. She had 2 ways out of this before, and now she only has 1. So I'm still on my way home. Well, I made it home. I wasn't planning on being gone for 4 hours, but it happens. Anyway, if you like the videos, give them a thumbs up, and if you haven't, do subscribe. It's free to you guys, and it helps me a lot. And I do appreciate it very much. So I will see you later.